Hello, this is Randall M reporting. Today is Tuesday, April 26, 2011 AD, and today I'm going to show you how this Smith Corona XD 4900 word processing typewriter works. This belonged to my granny Rueff, who's now dead. This is one of the things I got when she died. You flip it open, push down on the tabs to remove the cover. It's already plugged in. You push here, turn it on. You line it up, the paper up, and of course you can do it over here manually, or of course you can okay, and if it's not lined up correctly, you can loosen it up this way. So it's lined up. This is what they did before they had real computers, like the Apple Macintosh or IBM PC, when you want to type something or write a letter. Okay, on here you have a little digital display that tells you how far across you've gone, so you can figure out how much more you have. This has correction. I'm not sure if the correction is working because I don't know how good the ink is. It's been a long time since it's been used. Well, I'm going to say my name is Randall M. Rueff, and because the ink hasn't been used forever, it's just now starting to. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Okay, let's start again. My name is Randall M. Rueff. Now, the reason it's beeping is, for example, my name, Randall, isn't in the dictionary that the typewriter has in its memory. Neither is my last name, Rueff, since it's spelled R-U-E-F-F instead of R-O-O-F. And anytime it senses that a word is misspelled, it beeps, and then you have the chance, if it's working rightly, which it's not because I don't have correct paper in it, but if it had the correction paper, it would come over, and where it just double typed that, it would put some ink or this little white paper and erase it, and then you could retype over it and go over it. But since we don't have any in there right now, it's not working. Okay, so now that you know that, dear, to whom it may concern, I am just, oopsie, typing on this old typewriter to show every body out there on YouTube how it works. I'll put 3 periods to ... Okay. Now, obviously, without the correction, anytime you make a mistake, it's going to show up. Obviously, there's a reason why people use computers nowadays, because all they have to do before they print anything out, they can spell check it a lot more efficiently. This has spell correction technology and capabilities, but it's nothing compared to even the most simplest of modern computers. Okay, so that's how it's done. You can use up here, depending on how wide your paper is. This is a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So you can, and one of the things you'll notice, it does have a memory. Let me show you. I can type faster than it can do it, so it has memory built into the typewriter to remember what I've typed. So if I can type real fast, I can get ahead of the typewriter. And I'll show you that right here. I'm just typing odd numbers in the Okay. Or if I touch. Okay, so it has that nice feature. And as you can see, we have a power on and off here. We have a type and a word processor. Now, what you can do besides just typing, and what I mean by typing, and the reason I keep this typewriter, other than its sentimental value, because when Granny first got this, I used to love to play with this. Because with the word processing feature, you can store documents, similar to the way computers nowadays have flash memory. This computer has chips in it where it can remember pages of documentation. So you can print or type in several pages, save it, and if you have like a form letter you want to send out to every once in a while, you can go in, print one, or have it print one off, and print two or three pages or 10 or 20 pages, manually resetting the paper each time. So it's got some advanced features considering when it was made. So there it is. That's what it is, and I just want to take the time to show you guys the XD 4900 from Smith Corona. And like I said, the reason I have this and keep this, other than sentimental value, is the fact that from time to time I get forms that, for example, somebody has like a questionnaire, and instead of doing it on the computer, scanning it in, typing it in, it's a lot of hassle. What I'll do is if I get a form with like blanks and where you like fill out your name, fill out your age, blah blah blah, I can put the page in, roll it in, type in the answer. It's still the original form. It looks nice and it works real good. Now, obviously, the keyboard compared to mine is the letters are very thick raised. But all things considered, it's a good device. It's very simple, relatively simple compared to obviously today's technology. But this is probably 25 years old, and if I had the correction tape, it would be basically perfectly functioning. I just don't have any right now. I have to go buy some. The fact is, I don't even know if you can buy it anymore. But aside from that, it types great. It works great. It's portable. When you're done, you can turn it off, close it up, put your cover on to protect it from the dust. And normally you wouldn't throw your paper away after you're done typing, but since it's just a demo page, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Smith Corona XD 4900 word processing typewriter, and how it's made, used, and functionality. So until next time, I'm Randall M saying thanks for watching. Have a good day, and may God bless you. Thanks for watching.